How to create AI stickers on Messenger. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can create AI stickers on Messenger. Now to use this feature, make sure that you're using the latest version of the Messenger app. To update your app, you can open up Play Store or App Store. Once your application is updated, go ahead and launch it open. Now make sure to sign into your account. Once you get here, you want to open up any conversation you want. Then tap on the message box over here. Now you want to tap on the emoji icon. Make sure that you're on this section over here. Here it says search or generate AI stickers. So you can generate your AI stickers from here. All you want to do is enter a prompt. So let's say you want mango with sunglasses. Now the AI is generating the sticker. As you can see, the sticker has been generated. Simply tap on it, and as you can see, the message has been sent. In the same way, you can basically generate any kind of AI sticker from here. If you do not find the sticker of your choice, you can tap on the try again option. Once you find the AI sticker you want to use, simply tap on that to send it. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.